How's it going, everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is plant-based lifestyle, what to eat, plus I have a delicious tasting plant-based creamy pasta recipe. So make sure you stick around for a really great tasting recipe, one of my favorites. And this is also day 3 of the 7-day plant-based challenge in January. So let me know if anyone's following along, what type of foods you're eating, and share any kind of good recipes or any good food that you like as well. So this was actually what I had yesterday, and this was another 6 to 6.5 hour eating window. So I do practice intermittent fasting every day, and I ended up having three meals in about 6 hours, 6.5 hours. And I started my first meal off at noon. I had done a strength training workout a couple hours before that, and here's what I had. So I started off at noon again with a smoothie. And this is the smoothie I made. It had 4 frozen bananas, had a cup of frozen mixed berries. I had a glass of almond milk. I had 2 tablespoons of almond butter. I had 3 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. And I had 3 dates that were soaked in water overnight. And then I had a couple scoops of the Marcus Roscrans Green Pro C formula, which is just organic herbs and greens and dried fruit. So that was the smoothie. It turned out to be almost 1.5 liters. It takes me close to an hour to eat that. I kind of eat it slowly. Then at 3 o'clock, I had this meal here. It was a peanut butter banana sandwich on Dave's bread, some mixed nuts, and an apple. And I started to eat the sandwich and I forgot to get a picture of it. So that's why it's partly eaten there. Then at 6 o'clock, I had the final meal of the day. On the left, it was a green salad. It had cucumber, green onion, and bell pepper. And then on the top right was a bowl of broccoli. And the bottom right was this really good recipe that I made. So I'm going to put the recipe, the description, it's very simple to make, in the description box. So make sure you check that out. And that was a fettuccine alfredo. It was plant-based, oil-free. So it was a healthy version of fettuccine alfredo. So try that one out. I highly recommend it. And that was what I had on day 3 of the plant-based challenge. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Make sure you subscribe for more videos on a plant-based lifestyle, intermittent fasting. Check out some of my workout routines, my recipes. Hope everyone has a great day. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. And we'll be back tomorrow. Bye-bye.